So for the time being, I'll put these 100, 400 images up, Skiddaw, Blencathra and all of the other peaks around here, until this light catches on here, and that's when the lovely side lights will illuminate this area and really enhance the side of these rocks. So I'll put these images up now while I wait for that light. Whoa! And also try and stay safe in this wind. Oh, what a morning. What a morning. If you're enjoying this, guys, in fact, just for that bit alone, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. We're slowly growing as a small channel. So yeah.